So I thought I would show you how I do my hair. I am not blessed with the hair genes at all. It's quite fine. It is poker straight, and I find it actually complete bane of my life. If I don't blow dry it, I look like I have ironed it to my head, and it is totally horrible. It's impossible to work with. I can't even put it in a ponytail and look vaguely nice. So these are a few things that I have learned to sort of give my hair a bit of body and a bit of life and a bit of texture. So I'm going to share them with you. So I just use this shampoo, bog standard. It's volumizing and thickening. There is one with a pink lid, but I actually prefer this one. I find the one with the pink lid weights down a bit too much, but this one's great, and they've got a conditioner. I only pop the conditioner through the very ends of my hair. I don't put it in this part. And then I have got this Weleda Perfect Setting Spray, and I find this really good. I've used every different mousse, you name it, to try and get sort of volume and a little bit of hold, but I really like this. So I then towel dry it, pop that spray in, and then I just divide up into sections and clip it up. So I use this Nicky Clarke hair styler, and it's great. This part can come off, and then you can put this on, and that's just like a hairdryer, which is brilliant. So you don't need a separate one. And I use it on, if I want it really styled, I will use it on damper hair. You know, I won't let it air dry very much. And you can do that with this, it's fine. And then I just wrap it round and turn it on. Hold it for a little while, and then I press there's a setting, so it's cooler air. I put that on just to set it, and then let it out, and that is that segment done. Actually, it's still slightly damp, so I might just give it another quick blast. And then I'm going to just take another section of hair down. I actually have got so good at this, I can do it without looking in a mirror. And I just find it really easy. I also, because most of the time you only need one hand, I had to reply to emails and do various other jobs with this hand while I'm drying my hair, which is great. Multitasking, I love it. So, there we are, that section done. Just do this bit. And just around here a little bit, a few ends not in. I find if you're using a hairdryer and an old-fashioned blow dry brush, is what I'd call it, it really gets your arms. But this is really easy. So I'm just going to do the rest of it, and then I'll show you how I finish it off. So I'm now down to this last top bit, and I want to pay particular attention to here and the crown, so just behind, and just get as much volume in as possible. I'll just go over it probably one more time. And then I'll divide this last bit probably into two. Front bit and then that bit. last bits. I do brush it forward like this. Ooh. Get it all on the brush. And then do it like that, just to get as much volume kind of in the front part as we can. And probably just one more little bit. So there we are. Now it does drop quite a lot, so it won't stay quite as voluminous as this, but you see, it's brilliant. And yeah, we're done. So I'll just sort of brush it, and then if we were going out in the evening, I would put hairspray on as well. I am just going to show you quickly another thing that I do if I want loads of volume, if we're going to a party or something. I have got these rollers, so I just section it forward, and then I'll leave these in for kind of 10-15 minutes, depending how much time I've got. And normally actually then do my makeup. That first one always kind of wobbles around until I've got the one behind done. So I'll just, yeah, pop my makeup on and then take these out, and this just means that my hair doesn't go really flat and poker straight too quickly. So, and then I'll put them in the sides too. These actually are called Pro Blow, and they have got a brush handle which clips on, and you can then use these while you blow dry your hair with a conventional hairdryer, but I just actually use them like this and find that they're brilliant. So this is what I'm doing when I go for, you know, as big a hair as I can possibly get. But I do find that with my hair, within about 10 minutes of taking it out of the rollers, it's dropped to a kind of sensible level of volume. So, oops, there's the last clip. Yeah, there it is. So there, that is what we would do. So I've left those in for about 10 minutes, and now we'll whip them out. But I hope you found this video useful, because I have spent a long time perfecting the art of getting volume into poker straight, flat hair, and this is the best way. In fact, I found that I actually blow dry it better now than the hairdresser does. So I don't often, well, ever, in fact, go to the hairdresser for a blow dry. But look, you see, we've got loads of volume, and this will drop quite a lot. But then I would, if we were going out, give it a spritz of hairspray. But yeah, I've got a hairbrush here, so we'll just brush it through too. I'll show you. A few little tangles there. You see, that's already calmed down dramatically. So those are my top tips on how to get some volume into poker straight flat hair. I hope you've enjoyed watching.